Get ready to upgrade your life with the coolest tech gadgets of 2024. From home essentials to adventure gear, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore the latest innovations that will revolutionize your daily routine. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel and watch this video till the end. So let's start. On number 10, we have Sideti Laptop Screen Extender. This versatile device features a 14-inch Full HD 1080p IPS screen, delivering stunning visuals for work, gaming, and streaming. Enjoy comfortable viewing with the Sideti's blue light filtering and anti-glare technology, reducing eye strain during extended use. The device's easy setup and compatibility with various devices ensure seamless integration into your workflow. The Sideti's sleek design and built-in speakers offer a portable and immersive experience. Extend your desktop or mirror your screen for a multi-screen setup, boosting productivity and efficiency. Whether you're working from home or on the go, the Sideti portable monitor is the perfect companion for enhancing your workflow and enjoying your favorite content. Number 9, BUDI Multifunctional Data Cable. If you're always on the go, this is the perfect all-in-one solution for you. It offers fast data transfer speeds up to 480 megabytes per second and supports 65-watt PD charging, so your devices stay powered and ready. But it doesn't stop there. It includes 3 adapters, 6 TF card slots, and even SIM card slots. It's like having a portable data center. The small design also works as a phone stand, great for travel. You can transfer files without needing the internet, which is really useful in remote areas or when you want to avoid Wi-Fi. The lightweight, sleek design is both practical and stylish. Plus, with 6 different cable types in one, it's easy to connect to the internet. You'll never be stuck looking for the right cable again. This isn't just a gadget, it's a must-have accessory for tech lovers and frequent travelers. Number 8, Wide Brim Solar Fan Outdoor Fishing Hat. Stay cool and comfortable under the sun with the fan-powered sun hat. This innovative hat features a built-in fan in the brim, providing a refreshing breeze to keep your face cool on hot summer days. The fan-powered sun hat offers comprehensive protection from the sun's harmful rays with its UV-blocking materials and wide brim. The breathable mesh top ensures optimal airflow, preventing your head from overheating even during intense outdoor activities. Powered by USB or solar energy, the fan-powered sun hat is incredibly convenient and eco-friendly. The moisture-wicking sweatband keeps you dry and comfortable, making it ideal for outdoor activities like fishing, hiking, or gardening. With its practical design and exceptional performance, the fan-powered sun hat is a must-have accessory for anyone seeking comfort and protection during the summer months. On number 7, we have the Micro Mini 2 Plus Thermal Camera, a powerful and portable thermal camera designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its exceptional image quality and advanced features, the Mini 2 Plus is ideal for a wide range of applications, from circuit board repair to equipment diagnostics. Boasting a 2.56 times 1.92 infrared resolution and a thermal sensitivity of 0.43 Celsius, the Mini 2 Plus delivers crystal clear visuals. The 25 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth and responsive performance, while the adjustable sharpness and contrast settings allow you to customize the image to your preferences. The Mini 2 Plus offers flexibility with its choice of automatic or custom temperature readings and a wide range of color options to suit your specific needs. Weighing only 24 grams, this compact camera is easy to carry for on-site inspections. The Mini 2 Plus features a plug-and-play design for quick and easy setup, and the included 15.8-inch extension cable and manual rotation enable you to inspect hard-to-reach areas. The small storage bag provides convenient portability and protection. If you're seeking a reliable and versatile thermal camera, the HIC Micro Mini 2 Plus is an excellent choice. With its impressive performance, user-friendly features, and compact design, the Mini 2 Plus will exceed your expectations. Number 6, Razer Firefly V 2 Pro RGB Gaming Mouse Pad. This pad is designed to make your gaming experience more engaging. It has bright, full-surface lighting that makes your setup look great and helps you get more into your game. The 15-zone lighting lets you customize colors to match your gear or change with your mood. The smooth, textured surface ensures your mouse movements are quick and accurate, giving you an advantage in games. The built-in USB 2.0 port, which lets you connect your mouse receiver right next to it, reducing lag for better wireless performance. The removable USB-C cable makes it easy to power the pad and charge your devices. Plus, the strong, non-slip base keeps everything in place during intense gaming moments. It's easy to clean and maintain, ensuring it looks sharp game after game. Number 5. Mini Minimalist Table Lamp. This innovative lamp redefines modern lighting with its patented design that combines aesthetics and functionality. The unique magnetic filament, made up of 144 LED chips, allows you to shape the light into various forms, creating a customizable ambience to suit your mood. With a long-lasting rechargeable battery, you can take this lamp anywhere, whether it's in your bedroom or at an outdoor gathering. It's not just a lamp, it's a stylish decor accessory and a perfect gift for any occasion. The 1500 milliamp hour battery provides up to 10 days of intermittent use on a single charge. Plus, its sleek design makes it an eye-catching addition to any space. High light transmittance ensures a pleasant illumination experience, making it great for reading or relaxing. With its blend of creativity and usability, this lamp is sure to enhance any room while sparking conversation. Whether it's for yourself or as a thoughtful gift, the Mini Minimalist Table Lamp is a must-have for modern living. Number 4. Couch Console Original Tray. This innovative product transforms your home lounging. Its self-balancing cup holder uses a high-performance gyroscope to keep your drink steady on any surface. No more spills while watching your favorite show. Whether you're on the couch, at a picnic, or in your car, this tray is perfect for all your snacking needs. The compact, modular design allows you to customize your setup to store snacks and drinks together. If you need more space, just use the spacer to create a spot for your favorite treats. It has a sleek design that fits perfectly in any room or setting. Plus, with a USB-C port for charging your devices, you can keep your tech powered up. The ample storage space means everything is within easy reach, making it ideal for gaming sessions, movie nights, or just unwinding after a long day. Built for durability, the Couch Console is designed to last, ensuring years of enjoyment. Number 3. Astro AI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This compact yet powerful compressor is a must-have for any driver, ensuring you're always prepared for emergencies. With its digital display, you can accurately set the desired tire pressure, preventing overinflation and ensuring optimal performance. The Astro AI Tire Inflator is not limited to cars. It's also ideal for inflating bike tires, balls, and inflatable toys. Stay safe and prepared with the Astro AI Tire Inflator's built-in light, which illuminates your surroundings for nighttime emergencies. The 12-volt car adapter ensures convenient power supply wherever you go. The Astro AI Tire Inflator is designed with safety features like overheating protection and an automatic stop function, providing peace of mind during use. Its compact size makes it easy to store in your vehicle, so you're always ready for unexpected tire issues. The Astro AI Tire Inflator is an essential tool for any driver, offering reliability, convenience, and peace of mind on the road. Number 2. S10 Ultra, a floor-washing robot vacuum. This device features a self-cleaning mop system with 12 spray holes, ensuring a thorough cleaning. Its strong 13,000 pH suction power easily picks up dust, debris, and even tough pet hair. The unique design includes a main brush that prevents tangles and reverses to remove trapped hair, making maintenance simpler. The S10 Ultra can detect carpets and lifts its mop to keep them dry while still deeply cleaning hardwood floors. Using advanced LIDAR technology, it navigates your home accurately, avoiding obstacles and planning efficient cleaning routes. The all-in-one intelligent cleaning station takes care of emptying and washing, providing a completely hands-free cleaning experience. Plus, with voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant, you can command the S10 Ultra with ease. Monitor your home and pets remotely via the app, ensuring peace of mind even when you're away. The 3iS10 Ultra truly redefines convenience, giving you more time for what really matters, while keeping your floors spotless. Last but not the least, on number 1, we have 12 South Hoverbar Duo for iPad. Transform your iPad into a versatile workspace or entertainment hub with the Hoverbar Duo. This flexible stand features an adjustable arm that allows you to position your iPad precisely where you need it, whether you're typing, drawing, or watching videos. The Hoverbar Duo's sturdy, weighted base ensures stability even during intensive use. Easily switch between horizontal and vertical orientations to accommodate your tasks, from video calls to cooking tutorials. Designed with your comfort in mind, The Hoverbar Duo adjusts to your preferred height, whether you're standing or sitting. Its sleek design complements any workspace while keeping your area organized. The integrated cable management features help keep your cords tidy and out of sight. The Hoverbar Duo is the ideal accessory for anyone seeking a flexible and versatile iPad stand. Enhance your productivity and enjoyment with this innovative and stylish solution. That's a wrap on the top 10 coolest tech gadgets of 2024. Whether you're an adventurer, a tech enthusiast, or simply looking to elevate your lifestyle, these gadgets have something to offer. Don't miss out on these must-have innovations.